a lot of company come to see me before to make carpet because I am sure to have a collection by Stark for carpet. I am sure it's a good thing. I don't know why, but that looks like. But I always refuse because I am not a graphic designer. I am not a fashion designer. I am not a wallpaper designer. That's why I make projects only if I can bring something new. And for me, just make a design, it's not a pattern, it's not enough new to deserve to do it. That's why I do nothing during years. And when these charming Danish people come Fletco arrive, first I was charming. And you know me, I'm very sentimental. And when people are nice, polite, good education, always it's better. And after they explain me that they have very good high technology to make ecological carpet. And that interests me because it's the only thing to do today. It's a duty. I make a lot of hotel, big place, and things like that. And the carpet is always a problem because we are obliged to go darker and darker, to make small patterns and things like that, complicated, because finally just to hide the dirt, to hide stains. And I hate to lie, I hate to hide. For me, when I arrive in my bedroom, in my guest room hotel, when I see a very complicated pattern, I said, oh, they have not changed it since years, because all the pattern and the colors hide the cafe and other things. And I understand the hotel owners, because for one stain, you must change all the room, it's very costly. That's why when the people of Fletco told me that they make slab, I said, but that is the right idea. Because definitively it's simple to understand that changing a slab, it's more ecological, more economical, smarter than changing the complete room. That's why, okay, we can do it. We have the right technology, we have the right structure of the idea. But now, what to do? Because I don't believe in just, one more time, a collection of design by Stark, even on slab and even on ecological slab. And I said, I cannot do that like that. I must just make a sort of system, sort of playing card of the best quality I can do, which give the richness possibility I can, mixing the pattern, mixing the colors, that will make a fantastic tool. I have worked a lot, seriously. So, I was close to burnout, because it's like a three-dimensional chessboard, to find the right pattern, to have always the right solution for any type of question you can have anywhere. And I make some thick geometrical, thin geometrical. I put some letters like that you can write welcome, or write a love letter, or write what you want, everything about your brand. On the carpet, I put numbers because like that you can have the numbers of the door of the guest bedroom. There is some question mark. That looks nothing, but it's the opening. The question mark open everything to question. It's always something romantic, and also there is the surrealistic part, which face like a drawing by hand, nose, ears, eyes, feet, because you have a big room like it is today, and you can have it plain black, I don't know, I don't care, and you just put in the middle one eye, and immediately you are somewhere else. Immediately, everything becomes poetic, becomes surrealistic. And surrealism is very important because it's a universal language. Everybody can have fun or understand, or the cultural part of surrealism, or just the fun, because it's fun to have a nose in the middle of the carpet. But for other people, that will bring back all the idea of the Dada movement, surrealism, things like that. That's why today we have 112 patents with 14 colors, which combine, I don't know how many that do, I am not enough intelligent, but I think I gave the right answer for, I repeat, for myself, for the future of myself, and for my friends. Because I have tried to be the most creative possible to bring all this idea, but also a lot of rigorousness, because everybody is free of his good taste and his bad taste. But I have tried to control a little the possibility. That means today, with the Flat Code catalog, you have an infinity of solutions, and almost nothing can be bad, which is a good guarantee. The metal, lead, and things like that, what we call the cut, a small cut and the big cut, it's because also we can need not only carpet on carpet, we can need some sparks of metal, sparks of light, and also a logo, a picture, a piece of wood, a piece of stone, and you take the most humble carpet. One more time, you put in the middle or 4 small square of rocks or polished metal like that become a jewel, that become incredibly luxurious. That's why tomorrow will be less, and it's always good to give the maximum of effect with the minimum of materiality. It's not a stark creation, it's a stark tools, stark playing card with a wide frame to make you comfortable, because it's very easy to make a mistake. The only style acceptable for now and the future is freedom. And the best freedom is to do it by yourself. I believe more and more in participation, in interaction. It's not normal that the world is designed today by 10 people. Even I am one of these 10. We are billions of people. That's why I feel, I know there is talent everywhere. But these people are not at the right place. They don't know how to do it. If we give, like children, some toys to play, they will play and we shall have surprise. To give example in this collection, I have designed myself, perhaps, I don't know, 50 carpet, something like that. I am sure that if we send that to everybody, we shall have a lot of better solutions than mine. Even if they are not better, they will be different. And be different, it's enough, because today the most important thing is recognizing difference. We are all different. The biggest challenge was just to be humble. To be humble and to not work only to show the world how you are a good designer, but just to find the right service for the right people at the right time, the right place, at the right price, with the right quality, the right technology, and things like that. It's the only thing we have to do now. I think fancy architecture, fancy design, fancy anything, it's a little at the end. We need intelligence. And today, the Flat Code collection, we start, it's the first year, but it's based on the elegance of intelligence.